In this video, I'm going to reveal an incredibly shocking method you can use even if you're completely brand new to make $2,000 or more per week for free. That's right. As you follow me throughout this entire video, I'm literally going to share with you exactly how to find a great product to promote. In fact, you can use the exact product I recommend in this video. I'm then going to share with you a little known strategy that takes only about 5 minutes a day that you can use for free to get a massive amount of people rushing to the order form to buy that product. So by the end of the video, when you go out there, you can start to rake in some real legit income. Now, real quick on the screen right here, I want to share with you just a few Facebook messages I've received recently of people that have actually used some of the methods I've shared on my channel and what they had to say just to give you more motivation. You can see right here, Garrett, my sales have gone up to $500 or more a week. Thank you, right? I love seeing these results. Another guy right here, bro, your training is fire. Already up 2 sales today, and the day is still young. So as you follow me, you're gonna be able to use this and really just crush it very, very easily. What's going on, my friend? Garrett here, back again with another video. Now, if you're new to my channel and you never wanna miss out on my latest weekly affiliate marketing, money-making videos, then be sure to click the subscribe button and that bell icon so you're always notified of my latest training. And last but not least, if you're excited to learn this, be sure to smash the like button. It really tells me that you want me to make more step-by-step videos just like this one. But without further ado, let me go ahead and dive in right now. Okay, so we need a product to promote. Now, I'm gonna be using Digistore 24. This affiliate marketplace is really up and coming, and it's really powerful with tons of different products you can promote. So I'm gonna include this link along with all the other links referenced in this training down in the description. So once you click that link and you get taken to Digistore 24, all you have to do is go up here, click register now, and then you can go ahead and sign up with a free account with Digistore 24. Now you want to create a username, your email, password, go ahead, fill out this information and then register for free. And then once you actually do that, you want to log into your back office. Now, what you want to do, there's going to be a few tabs at the top. You want to click marketplace. This is going to take you to all these different categories of products you can find to promote with Digistore 24. Now there's animal and pets, business and investment. Okay, for the sake of this video, we're actually gonna do fitness and health, okay? So when you click that, it's gonna have, currently 88 different results of products you can find to promote. Now there's a couple things we wanna keep in mind, okay? One of them is we wanna look at the earnings on average that you're gonna make, okay, promoting this. So this is around $41, which is pretty good. Anything above $30 is pretty good for this method because this is more of an impulse buy, meaning we want people to buy right away and not really follow up with them. So anything about $30 to $100 max for this method is really good. So we're going to promote the ultimate keto plan in this example. Now, if you first see this, it may look something like this. Okay, let me share with you an example. It may look like this. Okay, promote now. And then all you have to do is click that, and then you'll see your affiliate link. So let me go ahead and go back and get my affiliate link here. Okay, so I'm going to copy this and I'm going to put it in a notepad because we're going to use this in a little bit later. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to actually use this powerful free traffic strategy. And what we want to do is we want to go over to Pinterest.com. Okay, now a lot of people don't even realize Pinterest really exists when it comes to making money. They think it's just some random pinning thing that people post, recipes, but it couldn't be further from the truth. And in fact, with Pinterest, you're going to be able to get massive free traffic even while you're sleeping. And I know a lot of my audience love making money while they're away, hanging out with friends and family, traveling. This is absolutely incredible. So what you want to do is you want to create a free profile on Pinterest if you don't already have one. And you want to do a couple things, okay? So you want to think about what niche your product you're promoting is in. Again, for the sake of this, if you just want to copy me, this is health and fitness. So we want to actually create a profile that relates to the niche we're in. So for this image, you can see that I'm actually in the make money online niche. So I have a cover photo here that has to do with that. But you could literally just go here, go to Google Images, and then type in the niche. So, health and fitness, okay? And I can search that. And then I can just find, any of these photos. Like I could take this photo here, download it to my computer or my phone, and I can re-upload as my cover. And then for the profile picture, I can just type in health and fitness logo. And then I can go ahead and take one of these photos, like this one, download that, and then just use it as my picture here. Now, right here, you can go ahead and put in the affiliate link if you want, and you can just put a little sentence about what you are going to do on your profile, okay? So for example, I show people how to lose weight easily. I show people how to make money quickly. I show people how to, meet their ideal lover, right? Whatever niche you're in, you want to write a little sentence so when people hit your profile, they know what it's about and they have the option to actually follow you. So once we've set up our profile, and it's recommended that you set up a business profile on Pinterest, that's going to give you much more reach. That's going to help you grow faster and see analytics on what's working. Once we've done that, the next step is we want to actually go to a site called 𝐶anva.com. And again, all the links are going to be directly below. A lot of people don't know about Canva. If you're someone that is not very technical, maybe you're not very good at designing graphics and things like that, not to worry. This is a drag and drop website that will allow you to create YouTube covers, YouTube thumbnails. But in this example, if we type in this little search bar, Pinterest pin, and we click this one here, what it's going to do is take us to all these different templates of Pinterest pins. You don't have to create the pin yourself. And what we're going to do is create a very compelling, very clickable Pinterest pin and use this to get massive free traffic, as you'll see as you keep watching this video. So what we can do is we could create a blank pin, or we can just click one of these templates, okay? So some of them are gonna say pro. You can avoid that if you don't want to pay for them, okay? So I can go ahead and click here. So this is a free template. Now, what we wanna do is we wanna customize this template, okay? So it says best time to be productive. Now I can click this image and I can actually either, choose a different template, or I can choose this image. So I can go to elements. I can do something like that. I can do a photo, okay? So they have tons of photos. I could type in something related to the niche. So let's say weight loss. That has to do with what we're doing. You can see all these photos. Now, again, some of these photos say pro. Those are, you have to pay. This one's free. So I can go ahead and click that, and I can literally just replace that. And then where it says best time, I can edit this, or I can even delete that. And we just want to make it customizable to our niche. So it says to be productive. So we're going to erase that, and I can say something related to weight loss. I can say something like discover the best and fastest way to lose weight today. Okay, something like that, right? Now I can delete this other text, just click it and hit delete. Okay, something like that. So it's basically like an ad. We're creating something compelling, something, eye-catching, and then you can edit that again to fit your needs. Discover the best and fastest way to make money online. Discover the best and fastest way to, meet your ideal lover, whatever it is you're doing. Now, once that's done, okay, we've created the pin. The next step was we go to share at the top, and we just want to click download, and that's going to download to our computer. Or again, if you're on a phone, you can go ahead and screenshot that or save it to your phone. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back to Pinterest, okay? And here's where it really gets cool. What we wanna do is we're gonna go to create and create pin. Now bear with me because this is gonna be really, really powerful. The first step is what we wanna do is we wanna drag and drop or upload by clicking the pin that we just created on Canva. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so I went ahead and uploaded it. You can see it right there. It looks pretty darn good. Now for the title, a lot of people don't realize on Pinterest, the way people find your pin is similar to a YouTube video or an article on Google. What happens is pins are actually ranked by keywords. So we want to actually title our pin a keyword that people will find if they're searching for answers that have to do with our niche and the product we're promoting. So you can go to this little magnifying glass and I can type in a few words that have to do with the niche I'm in, the product I'm promoting. So for this example, health and fitness. Now we can see right here, these right here are keywords actual people, a lot of people are typing in because Pinterest is showing us what they think we're typing in because these are very popular keywords. So we can just take one of these. So let's say health and fitness tips. And if you type that in, it gets even more, longer, what's called long tail keywords. Okay, so if you want to rank, if you just go after health and fitness, that keyword, chances are that's pretty saturated. There's a lot of people that are probably using that keyword because it's a very short tail keyword. If we do a long tail keyword, which it has, let's say 4 words or more, there's gonna be a lot less competition. It's more specific. So when people see our pin, they're gonna be a lot more targeted. So I like to do a keyword that has at least 4 words. So I can do health and fitness tips, and then C, tips for women. So let's say for women. Okay, so that's the keyword we want to target. Now I can make that my title. Okay, and I can add a couple words at the end to make it more clickable, clickbait. Okay, so must see, something like that, right? That's really good. Now tell everyone what your pin is about. I can write just a few words that have to do with the product. So for this example, the product has to do with keto. Okay, so I can say something like click the image. Okay, we're giving a call to action. We're telling people what to do. Click the image to discover the fastest and easiest way to lose weight with keto for women. Okay, something like that. Again, customize it for yourself. Now here's what we want to do. We want to open up our notepad. Okay, and you may think, how am I going to get traffic, right? Okay, I get this Canva free site is going to create the pin for me. That makes sense. I understand that I found a good high converting product to promote with Digistore 24 at the link below. But how do I get traffic? Okay, we want to take the link and we want to actually go to a site called tinyurl.com. Now what this site does is it actually shrinks links. Okay, so it makes it more attractive, and we can go ahead and click that and hit make tiny URL. Now once we do that, we want to copy. So if someone goes to that link, it's going to go to the affiliate sales page, as you can see right here, which is what we want. So we go back to Pinterest. For the destination link, we put in our tiny URL link, and then we just hit publish, and it automatically posts to our niche profile on Pinterest. And that's it, right? So you can just go ahead and do that, spend a few minutes each day. It's kind of a numbers game, right? So you could set a routine for yourself, say, hey, I want to do 5 pins a day. Go to Canva, go ahead, post them, and you'll just have all these pins, right? And I've been doing this for a long time, right? This account right here I created recently, but I mean, over the years I've used Pinterest. A lot of my peers have used them, get massive traffic and sales. Now, before you get going, my friend, if you liked this method, I want to invite you to a 15-day challenge to really master affiliate marketing and even be able to earn up to $1,000 per commission. So you need a lot less sales. I actually have a free training sharing more information on that challenge. All you have to do is click the first link directly below, put your best email in, and then I'll go ahead and send you all the details. In case I'm out or I'm traveling, you'll be able to get that to your email inbox, and you can go ahead and start that challenge. So many people from around the world have been just saying how it's been life-changing, getting that training step by step and really being able to create the results they want. Last but not least, if you like this video and you want me to make more, again, be sure to click the like button and comment below what niche you're going to go into. I'd love to read that, and maybe we can even work together as a community and all help each other grow. Thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on my next training.